to actually convert image to text using this particular tool. So it's very easy. The first thing you need to do is to take a snapshot of what you want to turn from image to text. So let's say for example it is a particular textbook or something. And just take a snapshot of it. I'm just going to open my camera and then I'll take a snapshot of the image I want to convert. So this, let's say this is the image. I'll take a snapshot of it and then I'll go to this particular website. The name of this website is actually called oc.best, ocr.best. I'm just going to reload it so you can see that it's actually a live it's actually live stuff. Then I'll click on um, drag text to upload. I'll click on it. I'll click on file because I already took the snapshot of it. Then I'll select the particular image um, I want to use. I want to convert to text. And you can download this stuff in different fashion. You can download it in Word, in Excel. Let me reload. Sometimes you still have this glitch where you have to like keep reloading before it works. So I'm going to click on it, click on this, and then I'll select the image I want to convert. So let me just select them. So you can see now that it has uploaded. So it has uploaded, and I'm going to click on I'm not a robot. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to click on convert. So it's going to do the magic. You're going to see it's going to convert all of these images that I've given it to text, and I can just copy directly or I can download. So for me, I need it in my laptop. I'll just copy and send it to my WhatsApp that's connected to my laptop. So you're going to see it as it's going to load, and you can do the same. This particular thing can convert any image that's written in text. For example, you have an ad cover book, or um, you have a material you want to turn into text that is in form of an image or an hard copy book. You can just snap it and then you can convert it. This particular tool is very very helpful, and it is so good. You can use it anytime, any day. You can see it doing the magic here. So this particular thing has converted. Has converted these images into text. So I can just copy it here by clicking on this button here and say copy, or I can download it as a file into my phone. So I hope you learned something. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, and you're going to see more videos like this. Subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in my next video.